Alright, welcome back everybody. Back on the Klx300 again. Just got a good rip on her. Went for a long little loop. Did a separate little video. Oh, there's a little dude on a Suron. I saw him ripping around. I didn't know if I'd see him again. But gonna do this in a little separate video. Just doing this little loop. Getting some fast laps in. Tyler's still out here on his Kx250. So we'll see how the Klx300 stacks up against the Kx250. Do some fast laps in on this. What's up? It would be nice. I've been going over here and I've been hitting this big root. Like this thing's been with me. That big root. We used to go just right through the middle. Yeah, I've been coming over here and this big root's been kind of like jabbing my front suspension. Ooh, he sent it. Alright, let's see if we can keep up with him. Conditions on this trail today, pretty much. Like that section back there was a little slick yesterday. Whoa! Blew that berm out a little bit. Holy cow. See, it just did it again. Threw my front suspension for a loop. Whew. Fast laps with the Klx, baby. Woo. Don't want to get roosted. Yeah, that right through the middle line is honestly better. It looked real muddy, but it honestly ain't bad. Going to the right, you hit that root, and that thing kind of chucks your front wheel out. Woo! I'm eating frickin' roost. Let him go a little bit. This little woods loop is so fun. Digging a little rut there. Gonna have to come out here with an axe. We're gonna have to come out here with an axe and chop some of those roots. Do a little track maintenance one day.
Right there, if we got rid of a bunch of those roots, right here, you could rip way faster.
Yeah. Alright, let's do a little leading now. I was slowing up so the GoPro don't get absolutely ruined. Woo-wee. Right through the middle. Woo! know that jump doesn't look big on video, but it ain't bad. Started in the middle line so that root doesn't throw me. I don't know where the dude on the Sur-On went. I saw him out here yesterday, and that was the first time I'd seen a Sur-On in person. And dude, whew, he was like a ghost out here. Like, I would just see him blitzing through the woods. You wouldn't hear him, you'd just see him. And you'd see him 1 second, and the next second he'd be gone. Like a ghost in the woods. Yeah, right here, if we chop some of these roots up, do a little trail maintenance on that, that'd help out that section a lot. Be able to go a lot faster through there. He's still right behind me. Let's take the long route now. I'll go this way. This turn's a little weird. It was smooth that time. Woo! Yeah, as long as you don't go in that rut. That one rut had a root coming out of it. Putting in some good laps. Yeah, we really need to come out here and just like, one day I want to camp out here and kind of just wake up in the morning and like maybe take some little marker flags and like mark a whole new little trail. That'd be fun because there's a lot of room for it and some good woods. We wouldn't even have to chop down too many trees because I thought about like chopping down some trees and doing that for making some new trails, but it would honestly just leave the stumps and probably be better just to make a trail through an open slot we can find.
You got me good. I don't remember which one it was on.
What, roosted you?
No, the spray.
Oh yeah, that'll get you. I was having to hang back a little bit whenever you were going through the puddles. I would slow down then go. I mean, look at me. I got. Little homie on the SSR want smoke? Yeah, we're about to pack up, but I'll do a few more laps.
Oh, that's alright.
I'll do a little lap around here for sure. Got a little homie on the SSR behind me. Hey, you gotta start somewhere. I've seen him out here a few times before, so at least that bike stays together. It don't quite sound like it though. On go mode. Woo! God, that little straightaway is fun. Alright boys, I'm gonna call it here. Feet are a little bit wet. Bike's super muddy, gotta get home and wash her off. But got some good ripping in on the KLX. Oh, a little Bambi over there. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe. Always check the links in the description for the foot pegs, levers, headlight, handlebars, everything. Links in the description. I'll see y'all later.